Hello, today we will guide you through how to add one-time expenses in Boldin. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to record a single, non-recurring cost, like a home project, a major purchase, or a special trip, so your financial plan stays accurate and up to date. Start by opening Boldin and navigating to the overview of your planner dashboard. This is the main hub where you can see snapshots of your plan and access the tools you need. Make sure you're on the planner dashboard view so the next options appear where expected. Next, move to the top right of the screen and select My Plan. This area organizes the building blocks of your plan: income, expenses, savings, and more. So it's the ideal place to add items that impact your projections. Inside My Plan, choose Expenses and Healthcare. This section groups your cost-related items, both recurring and one-time, and gives you a clear path to categorize what you're adding. From there, select One-Time Expenses. This is specifically designed for costs that happen once, rather than every month or year. Think of things like a new appliance, a wedding, or a one-off medical procedure. Click. Start to begin the entry. This opens the guided flow that helps you add the expense properly. When prompted, click Yes to confirm that you want to add a one-time expense. This tells Boldin to create a new entry you can customize. Enter a clear, descriptive label for the expense. Keep it short but specific so you recognize it later, for example, the roof repair, new laptop, or family reunion trip. A good label makes reviewing and updating your plan much easier. Next, choose the funding source. Select where the money will come from, such as a checking account, a designated savings bucket, or another available source within your plan. Matching the funding source to how you'll actually pay helps Boldin reflect the cash flow correctly. Now fill in the needed data or details. Add the amount you expect to spend, the timing or target date, and any helpful notes. If there are associated fees or taxes, include them in the total so your plan isn't short. If you're estimating, it's often safer to round up slightly to account for surprises. Once everything looks right, click Save. Your one-time expense is now part of your plan, and Boldin will factor it into your projections and cash flow. After saving, take a moment to review your plan totals to see the impact. You can always come back to one-time expenses to edit this entry later if the timing or amount changes.